Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about multi-tools. Now, I know it's been about a year or so since I last mentioned them. I want to have you to expand your use of multi-tools. And some of you going, well, what are you talking about? Well, multi-tools like one of these that slides out and then turns into pliers, wire cutters, has all these different blade attachments, screwdriver attachments, and different things in it. There's a whole bunch of different sizes of these and different pieces that come out. Some come out with has a pair of scissors on there. This is a needle nose. There are square nose. There are ones that have flat jaws on it that are more like a wrench type ones. But there are a bunch of different types. And the thing is, so how many of them do you have? Do you have one in each vehicle? There are also special multi-tools for vehicles that have a special, quick cutting device on it for cutting the shoulder strap and seat belts and stuff. And some of them have the just the little metal knobby on it to try to break the side window in case you're underwater to allow you to get the door open once the pressure is equalized. There are some that have a special spring punch in them that work even better than that little hammer thing. You can go pop, 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 and it'll break the glass a lot quicker and easier. Check out the different types of multi-tools, see which ones are going to work best for you, and add a few more to your preps. One in your get-home bag, one in your EDC gear, one in your bug-out bag, one in your, vehicle bag for working on your vehicle. Get a few of them spread around, because these things here come in handy a whole bunch when you really need them. All right. So one of the things I want to touch on here is I keep on getting information from some sources I'm not supposed to be naming, and all it is kind of hints around. These sources are looking at. They're looking at alternative plans for some of the plans that they have in place, because they're getting information that is, I don't want to get in trouble here, so I'm trying to do, that there's a possibility of certain events coming into play. And if these events come into play, depending on which ones come into play, different other events could take place that could affect us all. So here's the word. Try to increase your water supply, your food supply for this winter. Specifically foods that don't need to be cooked. And really, we all need to up our prepping game